This video delves into a profound question. Are humans truly alone in the universe? Or could there be other intelligent species out there asking the same question? If extraterrestrial life exists, it's likely that they, too, ponder their place in the cosmos. Throughout history, humanity has been captivated by the possibility of communicating with intelligent beings from other worlds. NASA has embraced this curiosity and led several projects with the aim of sending a message to any potential alien civilizations, signaling our existence. One of the most significant projects in this regard was NASA's Voyager mission. In 1977, NASA launched the Voyager 1 spacecraft, tasked with a monumental mission to explore the far reaches of our solar system and beyond, venturing into interstellar space. This mission aimed to explore the outer planets and even the boundary where the Sun's influence ends. Voyager 1, along with its twin Voyager 2, is part of a select group of 5 spacecraft that have been launched with the intention of leaving our solar system. Among these, only 2 have made it into interstellar space: Voyager 1 and Voyager 2. Both of these spacecraft not only provided breathtaking images and groundbreaking data on planets like Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, but they also carried a message to the stars, messages designed for any intelligent life they might encounter. Voyager 1 holds a special distinction. As of October 2024, it is the most distant human-made object from Earth, traveling nearly 24.7 billion kilometers away. But what truly captures the imagination is the possibility that these spacecraft might someday be found by alien beings. What message, you might ask, are we sending them? The story of the Voyager missions began in 1965 when NASA engineer Gary Flandreau realized something remarkable. In the late 1970s, the outer planets, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, would align in a rare geometric configuration, an event that only happens once every 175 years. This unique alignment provided a rare opportunity for a spacecraft to utilize the gravitational pull of these planets to accelerate its journey, drastically reducing the fuel needed. This concept, known as gravity assist, would become the cornerstone of the Voyager mission design. With gravity assist in mind, NASA launched Voyager 2 on August 20, 1977, followed by Voyager 1 on September 5, 1977. Although Voyager 2 was launched first, Voyager 1 took a faster, shorter route, reaching Jupiter before its twin. In March 1979, Voyager 1 captured stunning time-lapse images of Jupiter's rotation, showing the gas giant and its moons in unprecedented detail. Among the discoveries was that Jupiter, like Saturn, has a ring system, a finding that reshaped our understanding of the planet. Voyager 1 also provided the first close-up images of Jupiter's moons, revealing Io's intense volcanic activity, the first such discovery on a celestial body beyond Earth. Initially, astronomers believed Jupiter had 13 moons, but thanks to Voyager's observations, that number increased. Today, we know that Jupiter has at least 95 moons. Following its successful mission at Jupiter, Voyager 1 continued its journey to Saturn, arriving in November 1980. There, it discovered new moons, Atlas, Prometheus, and Pandora, and provided detailed images of Saturn's rings and other moons. Voyager 2, meanwhile, took a different path, becoming the first and only spacecraft to fly by Uranus in 1986 and Neptune in 1989. After these encounters, Voyager 1 embarked on an even greater journey, leaving the plane of the solar system's orbits, the ecliptic plane, and heading toward interstellar space. Voyager 1's speed, over 60,000 kilometers per hour, enabled it to become the fastest human-made object in history. On Valentine's Day, 1990, Voyager 1 captured one final, iconic image, the pale blue, a photograph of Earth taken from about 6 billion kilometers away. In this photo, Earth appears as a tiny speck in the vastness of space, highlighting both the fragility and significance of our planet. After this milestone, Voyager 1's cameras were deactivated to conserve power, and the spacecraft ventured into the unknown, leaving behind the familiar planets of our solar system. It wasn't until August 25, 2012, 35 years after its launch, that Voyager 1 officially crossed the boundary of the solar system and entered interstellar space. Voyager 2 would follow 6 years later, in 2018. What makes these spacecraft even more remarkable is the special cargo they carry, the Golden Records. These phonograph records, attached to both Voyager 1 and 2, are meant to serve as messages to any extraterrestrial civilization that may find them. While they weren't the first messages sent into space, Pioneer 10 and 11 carried plaques with simple engravings. The Voyager records are far more detailed. The Golden Records contain images, sounds, and music from Earth, carefully curated to represent the diversity of life and culture on our planet. Among the contents are greetings in 55 languages, including messages from then U.S. President Jimmy Carter and UN Secretary-General Kurt Waldheim. The records also feature 28 musical tracks from various cultures and eras, including an Indian classical composition by Surashri Kesarbai Kirkar. These records are a testament to humanity's desire to communicate across the vast distances of space, but there's a catch. To hear the sounds or view the images, an extraterrestrial species would need to decode how to operate a phonograph. NASA included instructions on the spacecraft, but deciphering these diagrams is no simple task, something even humans might find challenging. The images, stored as audio waveforms, would also need to be converted back into visuals, requiring significant technological understanding. The images stored on the records range from simple mathematical concepts to more complex representations of life on Earth. The first image is a white calibration circle to signal successful decoding. Following this are depictions of the solar system, Earth's location, and scenes from nature, human life, and scientific achievements. In sending these messages, NASA hoped that, if intelligent extraterrestrial life exists, they might one day discover Voyager and learn something about us. While the odds of such an encounter are slim, the Voyager missions and the Golden Records remain symbols of humanity's enduring curiosity and hope that we are not alone in the universe.